Hello, good day. Today I will show you how you can connect and create a GrooveBlog subdomain to your Groove account. So I have now this domain here, and this domains here are not working. As when you delete it, it will give you an error. So the only working here is this domain here that is active and hosted on Groove. So if you want to have a subdomain on this domain and you want to connect it with GrooveCart, what you need to do is you need first to add a subdomain domain to this. So we have already this rapidcapsule.com as our root domain. So if we are planning to get a subdomain for our blog, so we can just name it blog that rapidcapsule.com. So that will be our subdomain for our Groove blog. And next thing we will choose this Groove blog. And would you like to host your site for you? We will choose the no thanks because we have this root domain already connected to the Groove domain. All right. So once you click save, here, this will have this information or instruction. So you need to create a CNAME record to your domain to host 10.groovepages.com. So let's go back to the domain list and let's go here and edit to our root domain. Let's click the edit, all right, and let's just add a record. So as per the instruction, you need to create a CNAME record, and the name should be the blog, which we have created in a subdomain, and the content will be the host and the groovepages.com, right? So the name is blog and the content is host10.groovepages.com. So this will be our subdomain for the blog, and let's just click save. Once you have clicked it save, you need to enable it to run it to the system. So once it is enabled, you will have this proxied and you can connect this to your blog site. So blog.rapidcapsule.com, this is set up to the GrooveBlog, and once you set it to your GrooveBlog domain, you will see that this will be available when you select a domain. So I hope this helps.